Hey, this is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. I just wanted to get this quick screencast over to you outlining how you can generate more customers for your business through the use of a website. So first off, I just wanted to show you a quick website build that I did for a guy here a little while back. This is for a drywall company. And the reason why I wanted to show this to you is just to kind of show you the different elements in a website you really do need to focus on when a time does come that you guys are ready for a website for your business. So first thing I wanted to show you is click to call buttons. These are super important with as oftentimes as people are doing mobile search these days. Having these click to call buttons on here is fantastic to allow them to automatically connect with your business. You can see that I have one here, here's another one here. So those are definitely important. You're getting that number out there right off the bat so that people can get a hold of you guys easily and not have any issues there. The next thing is contact forms. I like to have my contact forms right up here front and center with a call to action, free instant quote, just because you're really trying to get that potential customer's attention, get them to put that information in there so they can get a hold of you, you and then at that point can turn them into a paying client. The last thing I really wanted to talk about on this website is the amount of content you need on this homepage. So there was a recent study done by Google where they looked at over 1 million different websites across multiple niches, and what they found from this study is all the top ranked sites had at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this homepage. So really focusing with that content that you're also including your high search volume keywords, which I'll go over keywords here in just a second. But make sure you're including these keywords that you guys want to be found for in this content, or people are making those searches. You guys are going to be popping up on Google in that top spot for those search terms. So looking at keywords, there's a tool I use called Ahrefs. And I was able to find quite a bit of search volume in the East Valley area that you were really wanting to focus on. I didn't look at Arizona or at Phoenix at all, but if you guys are wanting to branch out and get a new business out of that Phoenix area, that's definitely something I could look at for you guys. And I really focused just on house painters and drywall repair, but there was a lot of stuff out there for home remodel as well. So the highest search volume keyword I found was house painters Gilbert, with 250 searches per month. But overall, there was a lot of search volume, and this is just what I found in a short amount of time. There's definitely more out there that you guys could go after. Being in the top spot for one of these search terms, you can count on getting about 33% of that search volume headed towards your website. So just for this one alone, with that 250 searches, that's a good chunk of people that can be headed towards your guys' business. And if you guys had a website, headed towards that website to look for your guys' business and use your guys' services for house painting and drywall repair. So looking at house painters in Gilbert, that's what we're going to be kind of focusing on here today. I'm going to show you what the top rank site looks like for that niche and what you guys have to do to pass them up. So looking at house painters Gilbert, there's a couple different things we're looking at here. So this, first off, is the Google My Business or 3-pack. This is very valuable territory for your business to be in, just because people, again, are doing mobile search so often these days that they're oftentimes going to be clicking on one of these top 3. Now, there's definitely some upsides to this, but overall, you guys are going to see a much higher return on investment organically ranking your business here in these organic search results. So there's a couple different factors for how you can get your business into this 3-pack. The first one is obviously having a GMB for your business. The next one, as far as getting that GMB ranked, is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on the web. Some great examples of citation sources would be Yelp or Yellow Book. Even your Facebook page, if you list that business address, can count as a citation for your business. The more citations you have, the better your guys' chances are of being in this 3-pack. Another big factor for how you can get your business into here is actually your organic rankings. So if you had a website where your website sits organically in these search results is a big factor if you guys are going to be in this 3-pack here as well. So organically, when we look at the search results, I don't really include Yelp or Home Advisor to be competition, just because Google really prefers to rank the small business owner over these large national directory websites. So looking at gilbertspainting.com, we'll head over to their website and see what they have going on. So looking at their website, they do have a nice website, but they don't really have a lot of content on this homepage. So I'm definitely confident you guys could pass them up for content-wise. Looking at the back end of their website, we're going to head back over to Ahrefs, and there's a couple different things we're looking for here. We're looking at backlinks and referring domains. If the whole internet is just kind of built on these interlinking network from one site to another. And the more links you have pointed towards your business's website, the higher probability that you're going to be moving up in the search results and be that top ranked spot. So they currently have 325 backlinks from 66 referring domains. And the referring domains is the number of websites, and you can have multiple backlinks from each website. So another really important part of this is if they're do follow or not. And the do follow means you're getting what's called backlink juice back to your website, or popularity votes coming from these websites back to your website. So they only have 33 do follow backlinks. Very doable to pass these guys up. And I definitely think you guys could claim that top spot for Gilbert's paint, or for house painters in Gilbert. So looking at citations, I talked about that just a little bit here. Looking at Gilbert's painting for citations, they currently have 33 citation sources on the web. So if you guys were to get a GMB up, get those citations pointed towards it, get a website up, and get this optimized out and get some backlinks pointed towards it, I'm confident you guys could generate a lot of new customers headed towards your guys' business. If you guys have any questions on anything I went over in this video, definitely feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thank you.